Hi, folks. Hold on. Let's get back here. Hi, folks. We're back here with Corona comment number 3. I am going to get your your midterms talked over here in a bit, but for now, we're doing the announcement of the new schedule. I'm going to post it along here. Hopefully, I can get through this in about 8 or 10 minutes. Um, anyway, here we go. Okay, so I have posted this now to Canvas. The course has to change. You all are stuck at home. Many of you don't have access to computers, to your sources, to the Wi-Fi, etc. As a result, the following changes will be made. We will continue to have midterm. The midterm has already been done, and the final. No changes apart from we're shifting those things online. Personal response has already been done. No changes. Four-field proposal, see below. Family tree project, see below. Four-field paper, see below. We're going to go over these shortly. The quizzes are not going to change, so they're still going to come same time, same place, no changes. Just get online and do them. Active participation changes will be made. They're going to be online because we don't have class. So there will be many more videos like this one, no longer than 10 minutes, where I go over the notes, okay? And you watch them and then you respond as below. So assignment changes. Number 1, the four-field proposal. It's due a week later. It's not due this Thursday, but next Thursday by midnight. Instead of pages, we're doing paragraphs. So you can text in a paragraph or 2 paragraphs into your phone, hopefully, or just 2 texts. I don't know how to do it. Figure out some way to do it in Canvas on your app, or email it to me if you have to. So otherwise, the requirements still seem to be pretty similar. You can type this up and submit it in an ordinary manner if you have a computer and Wi-Fi. You can type it into an email if you just have your phone and you can't get on Canvas if the app crashes. If you want to upload a video to Canvas or YouTube, all the restrictions are off on Canvas, so email whatever, upload whatever you need to, or write it out longhand, take a picture of it, and upload the JPEG, whatever works for you. Writing it out longhand and taking a picture of it with your phone and then uploading it to Canvas is perfectly reasonable, or emailing it to me, whatever you can do to get this stuff to me so we can keep going. The Family Tree Project is due a week later than it was. Look over this and it'll continue to look the same. Oh, goodness. Sorry about that. Phone call. We've got say similar requirements for the project here. Type it up and submit it in the ordinary manner. Email it to me. Upload a video of yourself talking through whatever your paragraphs. Write it out longhand. Draw a picture of your chart. Whatever you need to do to get, or if you make I don't know. Some people have done clay modeling, all sorts of stuff. These representations of the symbols. So figure out some way to do it and take a picture of it and get it onto Canvas. In terms of the four-field paper, it's not really a paper anymore. I mean, you can do a paper, could be a video, could be an essay, however you can get it into me, 5 to 8 paragraphs, and it's due at the same time, and it's the same thing as before. So if you have a movie about one of these topics, or a website that you can find, or a video that you watch on YouTube, whatever you can find, go ahead and try your best. We're all just trying to get through here. The final thing is active participation. Since I'm not being able to take role in class and see how you're doing, we're going to post around 1 to 2 hours worth of videos every week with me going over the notes like I would in class. They will be uploaded to YouTube, and then I will drop in the videos into an announcement like this one in Canvas, and you just go there and watch it. And once you've done watching it, go and respond to the participation assignment. There will be a participation assignment for each week. I'm going to turn them on right now. Sunday nights by midnight. So that's our new deadline. We have Thursday nights, Thursday morning for the quiz, Thursday nights for the assignments, and then your last deadline is Sunday nights by midnight when you have to do this participation assignment. Okay? But the participation assignments are open all the time, and as are the regular assignments to the Thursday night. That's not a hard and fast deadline. You guys know that, because you are awesome students, and I thank you so much. This is a really hard time. It's something that nobody wanted to go through, and really respect you for sticking with it. So take care. Contact me if you have any problems or questions or concerns or anything. All right? Okay. See you in the videos.